Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again, which is my education right. So guys, when to use since and when to use for, we always get confused in it. हम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं बोलते समय या लिखते समय इन इंग्लिश में कि हमें since कहाँ पे यूज करना है और for कहाँ पे यूज करना है. So today's video we will discuss on that. Okay, so when to use since and when to use for. So it is so simple guys, watch this video till end, so definitely you will get to know and your concept will be cleared. Okay, so first of all I will tell you that both the things like for and since we use for mentioning the particular time of period. Okay, so I'll give you an example like मैं उस कंपनी में 3 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ. In that sentence there the particular time was not mentioned guys, like just year. Okay, I have been working in that company for 3 years. Okay, when the particular time is not mentioned in that sentence, so in that case we use for. Like I'll give you second example. रमेश उस कंपनी में the same company में 2 साल से काम कर रहा है. रमेश has been working in the same company for 2 years. ओके, सीता 7 दिन से पढ़ाई कर रही है. सीता हैज बीन स्टडिंग फॉर 7 days. ओके, यू कैन सी दैट कि यहाँ पे कोई टाइम मेंशन नहीं किया गया है गाइस, जस्ट ईयर, 2 years, 7 days. सीता 2 घंटे से टीवी देख रही है. ओके, 2 घंटे से टीवी देख रही है. ओके, सो सीता हैज बीन वॉचिंग टीवी फॉर 2 hours. Okay, and and the fourth one is मैं 2 दिन से मेरे रिजल्ट की राह देख रहा हूँ. I have been waiting of my result for 2 days. Okay, so in that case we use for guys, like year or years, and months like 6 months, 2 months, 7 days, 2 hours. Okay, like this. And when we use since, I'll give you the same sentences. I'll give you an example by same sentences. Okay, so मैं उस कंपनी में 2023 से काम कर रहा हूँ. I have been working in that company since 2023. Okay, रमेश उसी कंपनी में मार्च महीने से काम कर रहा है. रमेश has been working in that same company since March or since month of March. Okay, the third example is सीता मंडे से पढ़ाई कर रही है. सीता has been studying since Monday. Okay, she has been watching TV since morning or since 7 o'clock or since yesterday. If the sentence would be 2 दिन से और 2 घंटे से, okay, or 7 days, 7 दिन से, so we will use for. But here in that sentence the particular time was mentioned, like सुबह से टीवी देख रही है या सुबह 7 बजे से टीवी देख रही है. So in that case we use since, like Sita has been watching TV since morning or Sita has been watching TV since 7 a.m. Okay, so concept is too easy guys, don't get confused. So it is so simple. When the particular time was not mentioned in the sentences, we use for, like 7 months, 2 years, 3 years, 2 hours, or 2 days, 7 days, like this, and the particular time was mentioned in that sentence, so we use since. Okay, like since morning, since 7 o'clock, since 2023, since March, since February, and since Monday, since Tuesday, since yesterday, like this. Okay, so concept is too easy, and try to make a more and more sentence on for or since. Okay, so it would be your better understanding. So I hope you understood guys. So if you understood, so for an example I'll give you one sentence. मैं एक हफ्ते से वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. Like I have been making video dash a week. So what we can use here guys, like we can use will we use since or will we use for there? So let me in the comment box, and I hope you understood the concept. And if you like this, you will also enjoy my conversation, English conversation video. And keep watching, keep learning guys. Until then, bye, take care, bye.